How to effectively close a solvent company. Hi and welcome to our video channel. In this month's video blog from Orange Genie Accountancy, we will explain briefly everything you need to know in order to effectively close your solvent company. There are two ways to close a solvent company, depending on the level of retained reserves. So let's take a look at which one to use and when. Let's get started. To decide which way you should use to close a solvent company, you need to ask yourself the following question. Is the net value of your company more than £25,000? If the net value of your company is less than £25,000, then you can take advantage of a very simple closure process under a tax concession known as ESCO 2012. In this scenario, you as a director, with the help of your accountant, will need to wind down the affairs of the company and apply for HMRC clearance. There is no need to apply for the courts or appoint a liquidator. Once all PAYE and VAT schemes are closed with HMRC, all taxes are paid and final accounts filed, you can pay out the balance of the company reserves to the shareholder, usually yourself. The last formality is to apply to Companies House to strike the company from the record and report your capital gain on your self-assessment. If the net value of your company is more than £25,000, then things are a little more complicated, as a registered liquidator has to be appointed. Whilst there are additional costs involved, this route with proper tax planning can substantially mitigate your tax liabilities. In this scenario, you will need to undertake a Members' Voluntary Liquidation or MVL. You do this by holding a board meeting and completing a declaration of solvency. Don't worry, your accountant can help you complete the formalities. A liquidator will also need to be appointed. Your accountant will prepare your last set of accounts and ensure that all taxes are up to date. The appointed liquidator will then take control of the company assets and complete the formal liquidation process, ultimately striking the company from the register. Once the liquidation is complete, the liquidator will pass any cash and reserves to the shareholders. Your accountants will then ensure that you report these on your tax return and, where possible, claim relief under Business Asset Disposal Relief, formerly Entrepreneurs Relief, potentially reducing your tax rate on these monies to just 10%. Regardless of the way you choose to close your company, you will need to work with your accountant to ensure HMRC and Companies House are informed of the process and, most importantly, ensure that what you are doing does not fall foul of Targeted Anti-Avoidance Rule, TAR. The best way to ensure you can close your company quickly and extract your funds efficiently is to seek help from an accountant. Well, Orange Genie Accountancy are expert contractor accountants, so if you are a limited company contractor and you are keen to find out more about closing your company with Orange Genie Accountancy, please email accountancy@orangegenie.com or call 01296 468 483.